Some big news coming in. Over 100 of migrant workers have walked from various parts of Chennai and gathered near Dr. MGR Chennai Central Station. The migrant labourers have assembled in huge numbers and demanded that they be put on a train to Odisha and Jharkhand. Police are talking to workers now and requesting them to register and then go back to relief camps. But many of them, they're quite upset that they're not able to go back home. Shalini Lobo joining us live. Shalini, how many migrants have gathered at the MGR Central Station there, and what are the migrants' grievances? Why do they want to go back home immediately, and what are the authorities responded to them as well?
Well, Nabila, it's quite sad, over around 300 of these migrant labourers from various parts of Chennai, that's Velachery, Tambaram, Chengalpet, different pockets of Chennai, have made their way towards the MGR Central Station in Chennai. And what the authorities did was, from the railway station, the police did not want them to gather in front of the railway station. They asked them to go walk around a kilometre from there to Pallavan House. The migrant labourers went to Pallavan House, waited there in a large group. Then when they did not see any response, went back to the MGR Central Railway Station. The police again asked them to go to Pallavan House. So after making 2 trips up and down, they reached Pallavan House, where the Triplicane police came there and tried speaking to them, brought in police vans and told them they can sit back in the police van and go back to the respective shelters from where they came. To which the migrant labourers said that they heard that there was news that trains were going back to their native places and they wanted to go back to Odisha and Jharkhand from where they were, and they wanted to head home, because right now living in shelters is not what they want to be doing in this pandemic, as there's no source of income also coming in. All these migrant labourers, if you can see those visuals, are a lot of women with little children and their husbands, all of them waiting to catch a train home. The Chief Minister, Edappadi Palanisamy, issued a press release today saying that almost 9,000 migrant labourers have been sent home through 8 trains from across Tamil Nadu. It will take a week's time, but people who have registered with the government will go home. And this is what the police there also conveyed to the migrant labourers and took down their information to get them registered as well, and assured them that they will go home soon. So the police controlling the situation and more or less have the situation in control, but several hundreds of workers have been making their way towards the Chennai Central Station on a daily basis, hoping that they can catch a train to go home.
Highly unfortunate. Let's hope the government accommodates them soon enough. Shalini Lobo, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.